guys, check this out. Chris's Mystic 96 Cobra. For any new subscribers, this is a 0304 Cobra swap, T56, GT500 blower, CCW mags, side exhaust, export mirrors, S2A1 spoiler. He's got the Rexon tail lights that are painted to match right there. We'll go around the other side real quick. And then it's got air ride, so this grill is slammed. And it is fully ceramic coated. The only thing we haven't treated yet are the windows, so we're going to do that last. Put the hood pins on it that are painted to match and are perfect. Shave the front, shave the engine bay, and then this front panel for them, the radiator support, so there's no hood latch right here. So it just looks freaking sick. I've never even done that before. I started doing it on Sean's car, but I actually left the bottom of the hood latch there. And then Chris had some real ugly washers and shit trying to make these fit, so Brent and I TKO'd it and got those freaking perfect. I threw the running horse in there. Chris had the snake. Sorry Chris, I just want to do it for the videos, but I think the horse is where it's at. Looks good with the hood. I did paint his header panel right here gloss black just to go with everything else. We painted valve covers. I did paint his overflow tanks. They're all wrapped up though. He's going to do that stuff when he gets home. He's going to get the intake tube polished, stuff like that. So he's still got, you know, a couple months to get it perfect. Here's the underside of the hood. I did repaint in the middle, or not repaint, I painted the middle flat black, just like the TKO black, like I do, because it would just look like shit, actually base coat, clear coat, because of the texture on it. So I did that on Klein Dalton's Tiffany blue New Edge before he sold it. Oh look Chris, little surprise right there. Sorry buddy. We installed the Redline hood struts with all brand new rivets. Brand new Cobra emblems, so I appreciate it Chris, getting new emblems. If you guys ever get a paint job, you need to buy new emblems. I mean, what's another 60 bucks for all new trunk emblems, all that kind of stuff with a new paint job. There's no sense of trying to get the other one on there. CCWs are ceramic coated. I did paint his calipers. I'm sure most of you guys already know because you've seen all the other videos, but just, you know, we're getting a lot of new subscribers lately. Our Facebook group has blown up tremendously, so that's awesome. Thank you guys. And a bunch of you guys are from UK and overseas, so that's crazy. Carbon driven cowl panel right there. It fit okay. We got to put the side scoops on. All in here, you know how I do. It's all detailed. You know, there you go, Chris, right there. We did, Chris wanted to shave the side markers on the rear bumper, and I was like, dude, you can't really do that. It's gonna flex, it's gonna come back. I was like, let's not do that. I said, how about we paint them to match? So I shaved it, sanded it down with like 80, got all the lettering out, actually 180, it didn't take much, and then I primed it and then painted to match. So looking good. Here's the shot of the LED tail lights, looking nice. We're gonna take this thing outside and then really get to see it, but I'll show you why we can't pull it out right now. So then shaved deck lid right there. Look at that, perfect, no lines, freaking awesome. Cobra rear bumper, of course, we got to put the inserts in, and then the TKO bottom bracket or bottom valence right there painted. It just looks weird to me because I'm used to tips, but Chris has the side exhaust which is not on yet. So, but everything's looking mint. We got to put the spoiler on, and then we're good. So anyway. Stayed late last night. Brent and I and Alan, which is our new guy right there. What's up, Al? What's going on? So we hired him to help us for the summer and be part of our team. So you'll be seeing him a lot more in videos. And he's got a 98 Mustang GT YN Silver that we're going to repaint and fix up. So he'll be at Mustang Week, and we're going to take a bunch of cars at Mustang Week. I'm working on getting a booth. So anyway. Here's Christian Celine front Alcons that he's going to be selling. We're restoring them, got new pads, new boots. I'm going to paint them, get them TKO'd and everything all set. We got Adam Hines Mach One right here. I'll link his Instagram right now in the description, so if you guys want to follow him, this is one of the cleanest Machs out there. We did paint the whole thing last, I think we gave it back to him in July or early August last year. So it's TKO'd. He's got 0304 Cobra side skirts, 0304 Cobra mirrors. Of course, it's a Mach 1, so it's got the Mach cell, the black spoiler. We did the 0104 or 01, 99 to 01 Cobra front bumper. He got a brand new Mach 1 chin spoiler on there. He's got the clear corner headlights, black horse, black fender emblems, which are hot. So it's all coated. I put brand new, all brand new graphics on it. So check this out. All brand new graphics. I did treat that shaker, but it looks like it needs another go. Treated his cowl panel. He's got the, I forgot, Series 2 or something from LMR. My boy Mooch made the center caps for him, so he knocked that out of the park with the silver theme. I just kind of talked at him into doing silver brakes. I thought it would look good, and it sure in the hell does. And then you got the center cap, so it just sets this car off perfect. So I ceramic coated his brake calipers front and rear, the front and rear wheels, so all 4 of those. His wiper arms, we restored those, so I painted them back when we painted the car, and then I painted his cowl panel as well, so they're all treated. All the glass is treated. I mean, this thing is freaking hot. This is a nice Mach 1. I do got to put the belt molding on. I took those off so we could buff, and then so I could coat the glass. So brand new Mach 1 stripe on the side. There's the black ponies, which are nice right there. He got 2 silver TKO decals to complete the theme, which is just awesome. It just, luckily I had them and it just fit. So there you go, Adam. You got 2 of them. He's got the black tail lights. He did buy a brand new Ford Mach 1 emblem, which is awesome. So I appreciate it, Adam, because I hate putting on the old shit. And you really can't put the old Mach 1 emblems on, because the way that it's laid out, if any of y'all ever put on a letter emblem like that where it's separate, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You just can't put them back on. Coated his rear spoiler that I repainted. So when you repaint these, especially like a flat black, they're really easy to get water spots. So now it should have no problem with that. Like I said, dude, this car is just freaking nice. I mean, look at this. So this has got a 5-year coating on it right now. So he'll be good. Everything's detailed in here. I mean, literally we did the exact same thing on every car, so you guys know exactly how it is. Got the nice decal Mustang in the back we did. Ford emblem. Everything's ceramic coated. His third brake light, all that stuff. So you're set, Adam. This car's hot. We're gonna pull it out right now, turn it around. Adam should be here. What time is it? Oh no. Adam's gonna come at 10:30.
It's 9:30.
It's 9:40. Okay. So we're gonna pull this out. We'll do a little walk around outside, show you guys out in the sun, because this thing's gonna pop. I'm gonna put those moldings on real quick. Let's go ahead and pop the hood real quick though, guys. I know some of you guys want to see it. I mean, he's got the hood struts, and this thing is clean. I mean, it is very clean. The only thing we need to do is repaint the underside of the hood, maybe, or something, and then he needs to add a blower, and then he's set, man. I'm sure he could seriously win some trophies. If any of y'all were down at the Ponies in the Smokies, Adam had his car there. Unfortunately, he didn't win, and you guys know the kind of trophy setup was kind of crazy. The trophy setup was kind of weird, you know, 650 cars and only like 30 trophies or whatever. But the year before, so last year's, they actually had like best 0304 Mach, and now they just kind of combined like 69 to 73 Mach and 0304. So 69 Mach 1, which is no big deal, but I don't know, they just cut down. So I think next year, Ponies in the Smokies, we're going to have our own TKO trophies and give them out to people. Just, you know, Brent and I will just be like, hey, you deserve this. It's a nice car. Stuff like that. So anyway, done talking. I'm going to pull this out, show you guys out in the sun. And the Mystic is going to come up later. It might be in the next video. I don't, it just depends on how long the video is. And we're going to take we're going to take the Mystic back to Virginia tomorrow. This is leaving today. And then I am getting ready to, right now, as soon as Adam picks this car up, Brent and I are going to go to Cincinnati and pick up a 98 Cobra Babs coupe with the rebuilt motor. We're going to pick it up for Christian. So Christian PayPal me money. I gotta go to the bank. We're going to pay the dude cash. And it's like 108 miles away from here. So we're going to pick that up real quick. And then we are going to, I guess, deliver it or drive it or whatever down to Christian in Florida. So you all will be seeing another Florida trip soon. But anyway, we're going to film probably just briefly of going to get the car, and then you guys will see it back in the shop. We got to fix a couple things, so you guys stay tuned, and let me pull this out and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so outside, as you can see, it's gloomy as hell. I think the sun's supposed to come out later. Hopefully it does for the Mystic. But let's just check this reflection out. So, there's Willie's and Steven's car right there. I mean, this thing is just hot. It is freaking awesome. It is awesome. Here's the roof. I mean, this car looks way better in person. Come on, autofocus. There you go. Everything's coated. 5-year treatment. So 5-year coating, and all the graphics, everything's coated. All the blacks coated. All that stuff. So it's looking freaking awesome. I'll just show the interior if anyone wants to see. Mach 1 floor mats, FR 500 steering wheel, and then the blue shifter ball. So it's perfect. It's not overdone. Everything matches good, and then all the silver factory upgrade interior trim goes well with the brakes and the TKO decals right there. So just love showing off those exhaust tips. So I worked on them for a long time. So the tire, I did clean the tires. I'm not gonna put any tire shine on it. The coating's still fresh, so he can do that later. So anyways, Adam will be here in about 20 minutes, pick it up. I gotta run to the bank real quick to get the cash. We're gonna head to Cincinnati, buy a 98 Cobra, which is brighter than blue. It's a coupe, rebuilt motor for Christian down in Florida, but it's about 108 miles away. And then I don't know, we're going to trailer it down, drive it out there, fly home, something like that in the next couple months. But we're going to do a little TKO touches to it. And then Christian will be dailying that Bab. So you'll see that. We'll probably briefly just do a small segment going to Cincy and picking it up. But you guys will definitely see the car when we get back to the shop. And then we're going to start painting on Steven's 98 Cobra. We're going to the engine bay. I bought the paint yesterday. And then also we're going to do his Alcon brakes. Or not Steven's. We're going to do Christian's Alcon brakes. And then get everything ready tomorrow, because Misty is going back to Chris Lad Daddy. And Chris is very excited. And I think he's going to cry when he sees his car. He's going to fucking cry. So we're going to do all that. And then we're going to get back on to Daniel's Mystic. We just didn't want to sand anything right now, because we did a paint correction, ceramic coating on the Mach, and then of course we've been putting Misty together, the 96 Mystic. So we got to sand and prime these, and then we're going to paint Daniel's side skirts and front and rear bumper and stuff like that. So and also I'm going to pick up more Mystic paint when I'm down in Virginia. So Chris ordered me some paint. So I'm going to just go ahead and pick it up while I'm down there. And everything's going to work out. So anyway, stay tuned. And we'll probably be back after the Mach leaves. And me and Brent are about ready to go on the trip. I actually got to go wake up Brent. So anyway, Alan's cleaning up real quick. What do you want to say to the subscribers?
You need to like and subscribe to this channel. And keep watching for more awesome content.
Yeah. All right. Do your we try to trick everyone and say he was from Australia. Sometimes it works. Do Australian accent.
G'day, mate. Welcome to TKO Resto. This is where we restore and fix up your Mustangs. So like and subscribe for more of this.